ESD control flooring is specifically designed to control electrostatic discharge, making it essential in environments such as electronics manufacturing, laboratories, and data centers. One of the key aspects that enhance the credibility of ESD PVC flooring tiles is SGS certification. SGS is a leading global inspection, verification, testing, and certification company known for its rigorous assessment processes. When static vinyl flooring is certified by SGS, it indicates that the product has undergone thorough testing to meet specific safety and performance standards. Assured quality. SGS certification ensures that the ESD PVC flooring tiles meet high-quality standards, providing confidence to users regarding its performance in static control. Compliance with standards. SGS tests ESD flooring products against international standards for ESD control, ensuring they can effectively dissipate static electricity. This compliance is critical in preventing damage to sensitive electronic equipment. Durability testing. Certified anti-static vinyl flooring is evaluated for durability and resistance to wear and tear, ensuring that it can withstand heavy foot traffic and maintain its electrostatic control properties over time. Safety assurance. SGS certification often includes assessments for VOC emissions and other safety factors, ensuring that the static flooring contributes to a healthy indoor environment. Credibility. Having SGS certification adds credibility to the manufacturer, showcasing their commitment to quality and safety in their ESD flooring solutions. Market acceptance. Many industries recognize SGS certification, which can facilitate acceptance of the anti-static flooring in various applications, especially where compliance with safety regulations is necessary. User confidence. End users can be assured that the ESD vinyl flooring tiles they are purchasing have met stringent testing requirements, leading to better performance in static-sensitive environments. The static tiles produced by Y.H.F Floors has a full set of SGS test reports for TVOC, reach, RoHS, and other properties.